Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're exploring the Mediterranean secret to fast and flavorful weeknight meals, couscous. We'll cover its origins, the different varieties, and how to select the right type for your recipes. Imagine a dish that cooks in 5 minutes, matches almost any protein, and carries a rich history. This versatile staple is known as couscous, and it's a favorite in kitchens from Morocco to Maine. While many people mistake these tiny pearls for a type of whole grain, they're actually a very small form of pasta. Because it's made from semolina flour and water, it has a mild flavor that acts like a sponge for spices and sauces. You'll usually find it served under hearty stews or tossed into bright, refreshing salads. Its popularity has grown globally because it's incredibly fast to prepare. In our busy lives, having a healthy base for dinner that requires almost no effort is a huge win. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, this pantry hero belongs in your rotation. It's light, fluffy, and satisfying without feeling heavy. Let's look at where this food comes from and how you can make it perfectly every single time. What exactly is couscous and where does it come from? Couscous has a long and storied past that begins in North Africa. Historians often trace its origins back to the Berber people, the indigenous inhabitants of the Maghreb region. For centuries, it has served as a central part of the diet in countries like Algeria, Tunisia, and Morocco. In these cultures, it's more than just food, it's a symbol of hospitality and community. Families often gather around a large communal plate to share a meal, which reflects the social importance of the dish. In the past, the process of making it was a labor of love. Women would gather to roll semolina by hand, turning it into the signature tiny grains we recognize today. This tradition still exists in many villages, though modern machinery now handles most of the world's production. In North African tradition, it's often steamed over a pot of bubbling broth. This method allows the steam to infuse the pasta with the scent of meat, vegetables, and aromatic spices like cumin and coriander. As trade expanded across the Mediterranean, the dish traveled to Sicily, France, and eventually the rest of the world. Because it's so adaptable, different cultures have put their own spin on how to serve it. Today, it stands as one of the most beloved exports of Mediterranean cuisine. It offers a perfect balance of nutrition and convenience, making it a gold standard for a balanced diet. The different varieties you will find at the grocery store. When you walk down the pasta aisle, you'll likely notice several types of couscous. Each variety has a unique size and texture, which changes how you use it in recipes. Knowing the difference helps you pick the right one for your specific meal. Moroccan couscous. This is the smallest variety, consisting of tiny, sand-like grains. It's what most people think of when they hear the name. Because the grains are so small, they cook almost instantly. It's the best choice for quick side dishes or light summer salads. Now that you understand couscous and its varieties, we'll continue in part 2 with cooking tips, flavoring tricks, and creative ways to serve it. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.